Hey, this is Eric again. I wanted to show you about the cards. Now, the cards are going to show up in this second column or the middle column in between the map and the filters. So I'm just going to close the filters real quick. Can't close the map window, but you can just look at the card section here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different colors and shadings and things going on, and I want to explain that to you. So the first thing I think is probably the most under appreciated option is this long button here. Now this takes the short card, which is just the name and the acres and the year and the cost, and then you get some real information out of it, where it's at, what it's doing, who's going to fund it, that kind of thing. And then whether or not you can report on it as an actual, you can see what other kind of groups it is in, and then yeah, so that's just an easy way to see some real basic information about the card that you might not have known about looking at the short card. The other option is you can select all, and that'll select everything that you have up here in this show filtered number. 100 is the max. That is a performance functionality. If you need to see more than that, you're probably maybe not using the filters as effectively as you could. Not saying that you couldn't want to see more than that. Anyway, there is, as you can see, there is some applications that require you to hit that apply, and that basically is allows you to make changes. I want to see these certain things, and then I want to hit apply, and it doesn't tax the system. It doesn't tax the program until you actually tell it to. So what I want you to be able to understand is that there is a way to sort what you can see. It's pretty self explanatory, and then there's going to be how many you can see, and then you're going to have to hit apply no matter what kind of changes you make. You can select all, and then you can also hit the short card or the long card. And then within this map actions section is going to have the bulk approve, associate, summaries, and export selected data. This export selected data might not be there the next time you go to look at this. Some of the changes around current operations is that if you wanted to download some data, export some data, you would do it from the download section under workflow. So that is the basic rundown on cards. Okay, good luck.